Hey everybody, Ben Nelson here with another update for you on the Portland metro area real estate market. Real estate market is still hot here in the Portland metro area. Things are selling quickly. There's very low inventory. So we're going to cover some of the numbers here, looking at July numbers here for 2020. New listings are up quite a bit. They're up about 6% compared to July of 2019, and they're up over 15% compared to June of this year. So we are definitely seeing some more inventory coming on the market, which is great. However, even with that new increase of listing activity, overall inventory is still down. It is actually down. It was 1.5 months in June. It is down to 1.2 months looking at July numbers. So very, very low inventory. We're creeping down towards only a month of inventory on the market, which is very low. We desperately need housing. Still, we've been saying that for a long time. We really, really need inventory on the market. It just is getting absorbed so quickly. We're not able to produce or get that inventory on the market quickly enough to provide for the demand of the market. Pending sales are up about 22% compared to July of 2019. Held steady for compared to June numbers of this year, but way up compared to July of last year. Closed sales are up about 15% compared to July of 2019 and up over 25% compared to June of this year. So closed sales definitely up. Again, we saw that spur of activity when things started opening back up after the couple months where things really shut down for COVID. The market just was hopping as soon as that opened up, and we're continuing to see that. Obviously, you see that in the closed sales numbers from pending sales a couple months ago, and we're going to continue to see that moving forward as pending sales continue. The only thing that's going to keep stifling that growth in the pending and closed sales is the amount of inventory on the market. If we don't get more inventory on the market, we can obviously only have so many pending and closed sales. Days on market is held steady at about 42 days on market. We've really seen a pretty good steady growth of price here in the Portland metro area, about 3.7% for the average sales price and about 4.5% for the median sales price. So right around that 4% mark is what we're seeing an increase in, and that's year to date for 2020 compared to year to date for 2019. The other thing that is going on right now is because interest rates are so low, even with that price increase that we're seeing, the affordability index is the highest it's been since late 2015. Affordability index is a measurement of what the average payment looks like compared to the price in the general market. And so that, of course, takes into account interest rates and then the housing prices. And it's at 128%, which basically means the average household can afford 128% of what the average or median payment would be on a house. There's a lot to that formula, but more or less it means, you know, it's just a measurement of what the affordability of a market is. So again, the point is that it's at 128%. It has not been that high since the late in 2015. And it's been kind of a couple years ago was right around that 100% mark. We were really becoming an unaffordable market. It's been slowly eking up again. A lot of that has to do with interest rates more than house prices, as those have continued to just kind of steadily increase. So anyway, that'd be really interesting to see how that plays out. As long as interest rates stay low and inventory stays low, we have that affordability factor again here. So we're going to continue to see that pressure on housing prices and push those housing prices up. So that's July numbers. That's the market snapshot here, kind of what's going on in the market here in the Portland metro area. Again, very, very low inventory. Prices are going up. Interest rates are low, and there's a lot of activity. So that's going to continue to push prices up as far as I can tell here for the foreseeable future, unless something crazy changes in the overall marketplace. Again, we still have a lot of things up in the air economically as a whole, nationally, but Portland market is holding strong. As always, I will post the full market action report for you so you can see all of the numbers, all the charts and data if you'd like. And again, feel free to reach out to me any way that you want. Message me on Facebook, text me, email me, call me. I'd love to chat about the market, answer any questions for you, and be of any help that I can. Let me know what I can do to help you get from where you are to where you want to be. Make it a great day.